Hello hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I hope you all are doing great. I ventured out today. Today is Thursday. I haven't been out the house since Saturday, though I did go to my mom's house to give her some gloves and some wipes, but other than that I've been in the house. But the boys stayed home and I made sure I took precautions, had my gloves, my wipes, my sanitizer. I wiped down everything, even my steering wheel when I get back in the car. Sometimes I can be a little bit of a germaphobe. I probably got that from my dad because he always been a germaphobe. He would wash his hands like he was going into surgery, and then he would always get on us about washing our hands. So now I'm sure with him it's like 10 times that. But anyway, I was going out to look for some masks for my mom or my dad. My dad may have some like at work because he works with correction, and then my mom still has to go to work. And I still on my camera is not focusing, y'all. And so anyway, I was trying to find one for her because they're in that 60 plus range, and I just hate that they're not can't stay home. But anyway, I also went out to get a couple of things at Walmart. We didn't really dire need it, but I got it because we eventually will need it, or some things I picked up because I was already out. And then I went couponing. So I didn't know if I was going to be able to coupon this week. I probably look like a sweaty mess. I'm hot. It's like 70-some degrees today. And I had to turn the air on in the car. So let me show you what I got. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Hope. I do all different types of things. I do grocery hauls and cooking videos, and now I'm starting to incorporate more couponing, so I just don't do couponing on my channel. What else do I do, guys? Tablescapes and DIYs and home decor and just everything. But guys, let me know if you want me to like sometimes share some planner stuff on this channel. I know I have a separate channel to do that, but sometimes like today I have an order and I don't know if you guys want to see it or not, but just let me know down in the comments. If not, that's okay. But let me show you this haul. Okay. Also, guys, don't forget to hit like, hit that alert button so that you know any new videos come up from me. I also post them usually on the Instagram stories if something new, like a blog post, or 2 blog posts actually came out this week, which is non-perishable little meal plan if you only had non-perishable foods, and then also 50 plus things to do in the house during the quarantine. So check that out on Mylifefullofhope.com, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all, and like this video, share with your friends. Okay, so I got some of these Mott's family size. My whole family likes them, but you have to be careful. Well, I have to be careful because I just had to get a new feeling, y'all, and I don't know if it's from this or from the gummy vitamins, but yeah, I know better with the gummy vitamins. I'm supposed to take pill vitamins. So I got this. It was like $5 and something. This is all of the Walmart haul. I'm also, y'all, I'm tired because I felt like I was holding my breath every time I walked past somebody today, y'all. And I'm just like, I started getting a headache, and I was like, let me go home and stay in the house and don't come back out. But anyway, so I got some of the family Cheez-It size. I figured I'd just put this in Ziploc bags instead of getting the single. I got Josiah some toasty peanut butter crackers. I probably should have got the crackers, but it probably wasn't any on that aisle. My store was pretty much stocked, but the ground beef and some of the other things were like all gone. Some things, you know, were still out of stock, but they roped off the toilet paper aisle, the paper aisle, so you had to like ask them or tell them what you wanted. So crazy, y'all. Okay, so I got some Coast, and then I got some sandwich vanilla cream cookies. These are for Jason. I said I'll go ahead and pick up 2 packs so we don't have to go back to the store, and today's his last day off. He's been doing good. He's been getting up in the morning and working out, and I need to get on the elliptical, y'all, because I was tired today from sitting in this house. I was like so tired. But I did go to 4 stores, and I'm going to show the couponing ones I meant to say at the beginning in another video. So I went to CVS, Dollar General, and Family Dollar. So 2 loaves of bread. I got the 18-count eggs. My family goes through eggs really big, really fast. So I really need to get the big carton of eggs, like 60 eggs. But I don't really have room in the refrigerator to do that. I got some minced onion. I got some onion powder, some Body Complete seasoning. I got 2 of these. It might have rolled out in the car because I picked up 2 because I wanted the big one, but they didn't have the big one. I got Jason some Vita Craves Men's Multi, and I got him this because, well, he needs it, and I just ordered some from Amazon up there. But he's the main one that has to go out of the house. So I said, let me get him his own. I did find the Emerge C. We were taking some different vitamin C and we just ran out. Wait a minute, vitamin D. Immune Plus with vitamin D. So I ended up picking up 2 of these. They didn't have any on Amazon. So these were like, I think like $11. I got some Seagram's Ginger Ale and some Cherry Coke. I did have a little bit of Cherry Coke, but I've been trying to, I didn't show you guys, I didn't upload that haul, but I bought one of those big gallon, and Jason's in the sink. I ordered Jason and I a big gallon water bottle, those water bottles that have like the motivation quotes on it. So that's a lot of water, y'all, especially when you have bariatric surgery, y'all. That is a lot of water. So on the picture, it doesn't look that big, but it's big. And yeah, I've been trying to drink that. So I said, you know what, if I run out of soda, I'm not going to go back and get more. I end up getting more. But anyway, I've been trying to drink more water, so that's why I still have some more soda. Okay, so I got some of these gloves. They did not have any face mask. I did pick some gloves up from Dollar General a couple of days ago. So I still have those. And I got these large ones because Jason's hands are large and he's always ripping the gloves. I got some of these mini curlers, and I got a big thing of paper plates. I think this is like the 200. I got 2 of the, you good? Sorry. You okay? So pineapple tidbits, some tropical fruit punch. Trail got him, that was one of his things I mainly went to the store for. He wanted some birthday cake Oreos, and then some apple slices. And then I got some, they didn't have the green ones. They had like the red ones. And then some thick and chunky salsa, we probably had tacos today. Some fire sauce, some tortillas. I got 2 of these. Some shredded iceberg lettuce. I first picked this up because I didn't see the gummy, the vitamin DCs, the vitamin C. So the Emerge C. So I got the super orange. I don't know how much this was because it was very slim pickings. It probably was like $11 or something like that. I got some 2% milk, some cranberry grape juice, and some cranberry apple juice in the Simply Lemonade. And I think that's it, y'all. So my coupon deals, I'm gonna put that in a separate video. I wasn't sure. It's late in the week. I wasn't sure if I was gonna coupon or not, but I just had to, y'all. So that's it for that video of my Walmart haul. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And also, I have an Amazon haul I'll share with you guys. I said I was going to do my little breakfast nook area. If you didn't see my breakfast bar, I want to do the table and stuff, and I got some stuff for that. So I'll probably put that video all together, like a haul and the table. So anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.